Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mastery 233 here, and let me tell you, we're about to dive into some seriously mind-blowing ways to make money online in 2024. Forget everything you think you know about online jobs, because these are next-level, out-of-the-box hustles that most people haven't even heard of yet. Ever imagined yourself as a virtual real estate mogul, or maybe an NFT art connoisseur raking in the big bucks? We're going deep down the rabbit hole today, exploring 10 unexpected ways to turn your passion into a paycheck in the digital age. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's jump right into the future of making money online. Alright, first up, we're stepping into the metaverse. Now, I know what you're thinking. The metaverse sounds like something out of Ready Player One, but trust me, this is becoming real. And people are already making serious bank in these digital worlds. Think about it. As more and more people jump into the metaverse, they're going to need guides, right? Someone who knows the ins and outs, the coolest spots to hang out, the best ways to customize their avatars, the hidden gems, the works. That's where you come in. The ultimate metaverse tour guide. Picture this. You're getting paid to explore stunning virtual landscapes, lead groups on epic quests, teach newbies the ropes, and basically become the go-to expert in these digital playgrounds. You could even specialize in a specific metaverse platform, like becoming the ultimate guide to Decentraland or the Sandbox. No more boring commutes, no more office drama, just you, your headset, and a whole lot of virtual earning potential. Imagine attending virtual events, digital concerts, and even virtual conferences, all while getting paid. The possibilities are endless. Plus, you'll be networking with people from all over the globe, making connections that could lead to even more opportunities. So, gear up, upgrade your VR equipment, and get ready to dive into a world where the only limit is your imagination. The future is here, and it's virtual. Are you ready to explore and get paid for it? Let's go! Next up, we're talking virtual real estate. Yeah, you heard that right. Just like in the real world, people are buying, selling, and developing land in the metaverse. And guess what? They need agents to help them navigate this new frontier. Imagine this. You're closing deals on prime virtual beachfront properties, negotiating leases on virtual storefronts, or even helping businesses set up their headquarters in the metaverse. Fashion shows, concerts, art galleries, you name it, it's happening in the metaverse. And all of those events need a virtual space, which means big bucks for savvy real estate agents. Do your research, learn the ropes, and who knows, you could be the next virtual real estate mogul. All right, art lovers, this one's for you. NFTs are changing the game for artists, and if you've got an eye for talent, you can cash in as an NFT art curator. Think of it like being an art dealer, but in the digital world. You're the expert, the tastemaker, the one who can spot the next Beeple before it sells for millions. You discover talented digital artists, help them mint their work as NFTs, and connect them with eager collectors. You could even create your own online gallery, hosting virtual exhibitions and auctions, showcasing the hottest NFT art pieces. Remember, NFTs aren't just about digital art. They can represent anything unique, from music and videos to virtual fashion and even tweets. Fun never has to end. Chapter 5. Digital Fashion Designer. Dress to Impress in the Metaverse. Forget runways and fashion weeks. The future of fashion is digital. Imagine a world where your creativity knows no bounds and the only limit is your imagination. As people spend more time in virtual worlds, they're going to want their avatars to look their best. This is where the magic of digital fashion comes into play. That's where you come in, the trend-setting digital fashion designer. Your role is crucial in shaping the future of how people express themselves online. Imagine this. You're creating stunning outfits, accessories, and even full-blown couture collections, all digitally. The possibilities are endless. No more dealing with fabric, sewing machines, or expensive photo shoots. Everything is done on your computer, making the process seamless and efficient. You can sell your designs on dedicated marketplaces within the metaverse, allowing users to purchase and instantly dress their avatars. It's a whole new way to shop. Collaborate with virtual influencers, host virtual fashion shows, and even partner with real-world brands to create exclusive digital collections. The opportunities for collaboration are vast. So not only can you make bank, but you can also feel good about your impact on the planet. Digital fashion is eco-friendly and sustainable, making it the future of the industry. Chapter 6. AI Chatbot Developer. Build bots, make bank, and change the game. AI is everywhere, and chatbots are changing the way we interact with businesses online. But here's the thing, most chatbots are pretty basic. You, my friend, are going to change that by becoming an AI chatbot developer extraordinaire. Imagine this. You're building custom chatbots for businesses, designed to provide exceptional customer service, generate leads, and even close deals, all while you sleep. You could specialize in a specific industry, like e-commerce, healthcare, or even online education. Or you could become the go-to chatbot developer for a particular platform, like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. As AI technology continues to evolve, your skills will only become more valuable. Chapter 7. Virtual Event Planner. The party starts in the metaverse. Remember when we thought Zoom meetings were the future? Well, get ready for the next level, virtual events in the metaverse. And guess what? Every epic virtual party needs an equally epic planner. That's where you come in, the maestro of metaverse events. Imagine this. You're organizing mind-blowing conferences, product launches, concerts, and even weddings, all in immersive virtual environments. Think customizable avatars, interactive experiences, and global audiences coming together like never before. You could specialize in a specific type of event, like corporate conferences or music festivals, and with the power of VR technology, the sky's the limit. Chapter 8. Esports is booming with millions of fans and players worldwide. And guess what? Those aspiring pro gamers need coaches to help them reach the top of their game. That's where you come in, the esports sensei, the gaming guru, the champion maker. Imagine this. You're analyzing gameplay, developing winning strategies, and mentoring the next generation of esports stars. You could specialize in a particular game like Fortnite, League of Legends, or Valorant. Or you could become a well-rounded coach, guiding players across multiple games and platforms. You can offer your coaching services through online platforms, create your own website, or even partner with esports organizations. Plus, with the continued growth of esports, the demand for skilled coaches is only going to increase. Chapter 9. Learning a new language is more accessible than ever, thanks to the power of the internet. But here's the thing, most online language learning platforms are pretty impersonal. You, my friend, are going to change that by becoming the most engaging, entertaining, and effective online language tutor the world has ever seen. You're going to create immersive language learning experiences using games, music, virtual field trips, and even VR technology to bring language learning to life. You could specialize in a particular language like Spanish, Mandarin, or even Klingon. Hey, you never know. And with the rise of remote work and globalization, the demand for language skills is only going to increase. Chapter 10. People love surprises, and they love discovering new products. That's the beauty of subscription boxes. It's like getting a present in the mail every month. And guess what? You can be the mastermind behind those curated boxes of joy as a subscription box curator. Imagine this. You're curating boxes filled with unique, high-quality products tailored to a specific niche. Create a strong brand identity, build a loyal following on social media, and watch your subscription box empire grow. So there you have it, 10 unexpected mind-blowing ways to make money online in 2024. From exploring the metaverse to curating subscription boxes, the future of online earning is full of exciting possibilities. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let me know in the comments which of these online money-making methods you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible online.